243, Bam Bam Land, Bows of the Clown in Idaho got down.
Hey, Bows of the Clown. Hey, Bows of the Clown. Bam Bam Bam. That is right at the morning. Girl, it's pretty morning. Everybody's playing out there. Playing at the clown.
Hey, 243, I just want to put down and say good day to you. Hey, 243 around Bam Bam Land. You have a good day. 243 Bam Bam. 243 around Alabama. Yo, Bows of the Clown. CircusMobile.com is rocking on.
Hey, Bows of the Clown. He ain't qualified to get it back right out of it. Hey, Big Phil, you got any kind of cop on 17 out of Charlotte, North Carolina, 28
Hey, 17, Bozo with the wave.
Bozo got a hammer even coming off the side of my beams.
Hey, thanks, D-Rail. Hey, D-Rail, thanks for letting me know. D-Rail, I got you on video game. Hey, D-Rail, I got you on video game. Bozo the Clown with the high five. I'm rocking on.
I got you there, Bozo. Big Phil's out here talking barbed wire, man, so I'm gonna get on the quiet side, man, let him make some contacts out here. I'm waving a hand right back here, Bozo the Clown, D-Rail.
Bum bum. I heard you out there around the bayou. I heard you out there around the bayou. Real wide Bozo with the high five. I'm rocking on. Hello, around New Orleans. Hello, around New Orleans. Bozo right there, right back. Hello, around New Orleans. Yo, Bozo the Clown. Say, come on down. So I still can pull out that 28. I still can pull out that 28. Bozo the Clown with the Ela speaker. Let's go.
How are you, Bozo the Clown? You say you can't catch the 28 cold ice cream? Yes, certainly have, man. They've been having a good old day, man, and just getting ready to go to the Work 20, man, and radio just for a couple minutes before I shoot off. Anybody who's got to get over here, man, you know that.
Sorry, New Orleans, I still can pull it out, New Orleans. Hey, New Orleans, I still can pull out that D-Rail. I got my ear spin back. Hello, worldwide, New Orleans. Bozo the Clown right there, right back.
All right, them Bozo, cold ice cream, New Orleans. Amen. Cold ice cream, New Orleans. Now.
I got it that time. Ice cream, ice cream. Hey, ice cream around New Orleans. I got it that time around. Buy ice cream around New Orleans. Buy ice cream. Bozo the Clown got down.
Man, and we'll catch you back. Hey, man, you spike that thing down, you ought to be listening to a Big Phil talk show. Always hitting me with some of the high signals out there, man. There's one of them big old mall droppers dropping some mall out there on 131. Motor Mountain Mall gets on the base or something like that, man. But hey, you working the driver too, man. Just let it pass the ball free Phil. So I'm sure you can drop some watts if you wanted to, too. Take care, Big Phil. Appreciate the bump down. Hello. Break DX land. Break DX land. 555 Fort Bragg, North Carolina. We trying break.
Hello, 555 around North Carolina. Hello, 555 around the Carolinas. Yo, Bozo the Clown. Hello, 555 Bozo the Clown got down.
Appreciate the way, man. God bless. Have a good rest of the day, Big Phil. D-Rail on the mail. D-Rail today, but 555 Fort Bragg. Here's your Bozo 555. Listen, we on.
Right there, right back, 205. Hey, 205. Yeah, D-Rail's got a bad station, man. He got Mother Nature skirt up high, and he's going downtown. Hello, Worldwide 205, your Bozo the Clown in Idaho got down.
Roger, Bozo, man. Yeah, you blowing smoke out here on the East Coast. Sound like a local out here. That's what I tell everybody. Blowing smoke sounding like a local. That's what it is. That's how I tell them. I'm down 705 listening.
Hey, 205, I'm not a local. I'm not downtown beautiful Bozo, Idaho. I appreciate you letting me know I sound like a local. Hey, 555, I appreciate you letting me know I sound like a local, because you got me sounding, you be sounding like a local on my end, too. We'll watch 205, Bozo with the high five. Have a good day, Bozo the Clown. Hot potato, Bozo, go.
Bozo, you go on there for the team again, man. Bozo the Clown got it down. D-Rail with the wave once again. Audio, come on.
Hey, D-Rail, I can wave to you all day long, D-Rail. Hey, with a signal like that, D-Rail, I can wave to you all day long. Hello, Worldwide D-Rail, Bozo, right there, right back.
Golly. The Union 509 down here in Georgia. Bozo, try to move a little bit further, man. Maybe want to listen to some other conversations out there. Hey, Bozo. Hey, Bozo, you got it down, man. Just figured I'd let you know, man. Still smoking in Georgia. Bozo the Clown, D-Rail with the wave.
And I appreciate you letting your people go, D-Rail. Hey, D-Rail, I'm sure all the East Coast appreciate you letting them go. Hey, D-Rail, you said the East Coast got a green light? You said the East Coast got a green light, they can go? Thanks for letting your people go, D-Rail. Yo, Bozo the Clown got down.
A big old Army base full break, we gon' walk. No, they're there, shot point. You're supposed to meet them there. Well, that's nice. You're supposed to meet them there. Where you at now? Wow. Alright, let me call it. Well, alright. Y'all take care around the west side. Everybody else on the band. D-Rail, we gonna smart on out of here. Go 10-7.
Are you local talking, D-Rail?
Yeah, stand for had my brother, man, get up here close underneath my antenna there, Bozo. Hey, Bozo, I got it kind of pointed south of you a little bit, man, but I'm waving a hand there, Bozo. Catch you later. Appreciate the bump down, appreciate the wave, Bozo the Clown. All the rest of the good time gang, D-Rail, gotta get on out of here.
I heard your brother a little bit, D-Rail. Hey, D-Rail, I did hear your brother a little bit, but I couldn't make out what he said. But I could tell, I thought you were local talking. Worldwide D-Rail, take it easy, take care, have fun with your brother, Bozo the Clown, Potato Town. On my way to the potato fields to stop picking potatoes. Bozo gone. Bozo the Clown from Potato Town. Hello, Worldwide 9 in the swamp, your Bozo, right there, right back.
Sorry on that, Bozo. You want to calm it down? It's a good latitude that cabin is. I hope you had a super fine weekend. What to what, please? Bozo the Clown. That's Potato Town. Bozo the Clown. 9 in the swamp. What's the job? Good job.
All right, 9 in the swamp. You have a good day, man. I gotta go 10-7, man. I'm what you call a professional potato picker. I'm a clown by hobby. I'm a professional potato picker by trade. Every time I key this circus mobile down, those damn potatoes jump right out of the ground. We're wild, 9 in the swamp. Your Bozo the Clown, the baddest potato picker around. Got down. Bye, 9 in the swamp. Bye, 9 in the swamp. Bye, in the bum. Who's that around Alabama? location?
Hey, Bozo the Clown, ain't nobody but 1-800. Look at that Bozo the Clown, 1-800. Hey, Bozo the Clown, 1-800, is yours or gone?
Hello, my friend, 1-800. Hello, Mr. Toll-Free, 1-800, your Bozo, right there, right back, let's go.
I heard you out there, Bozo, I thought I'd jump in there and wave you away. Hey, Bozo the Clown, I'm going to sit there and see what I can wave you away. Good evening, up my Bozo the Clown, all them good on around back, Bozo the Clown, you're 1-800, gone.
And thank you, 1-800, hey, 1-800, thanks for taking time out of your business today to look my way. Hey, where wide, 1-800, I cannot stay, and I cannot come out again and play until after I finish working. Bye, 1-800, your Bozo the Clown, CircusMobile.com is rocking on. Buy 1-800, buy ice cream. Buy 1-800, buy ice cream. Bozo the Clown got down.
Bozo the Clown.